Alright, this is a Oliver 66 Standard. We purposely put it by the 99 just to see the difference in size. It's quite a bit. It's like a baby and the father. But I'm gonna see if this thing will start. It always ran beautiful. It looks like hell, but it always ran pretty good. I'll throw the gas on here. Check the oil. Good. Coolant. I'm not gonna run long, but what else caps can be hard. All right, let's see what happens. Choke. We'll get him out. This tractor works good on the bush hog. It's got pretty good power for it. It doesn't have much traction for towing anything, so I like to put it on the bush hog. The seat needs to be rebuilt on it, but it's a nice little thing. 66 Standard is very hard to find. The ground's a little squishy yet, but thinking that weather is decent. Probably only a couple of weeks from getting the ground hard and being able to run tractors and stuff. I want to get this thing going here. It's probably going to be a project for spring here.